Honorable Chief Minister Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao जी और जो सौभाग्य से टीआरएस पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष भी हैं, केंद्रीय मंत्री श्री एम वेंकैया नायडू जी, मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज श्री बंडारू दत्तात्रेय जी, बीजेपी के जनरल सेक्रेटरी श्री मुरलीधर राव जी, श्री केशव राव जी, सांसद और टीआरएस पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी के नेता, डॉक्टर लक्ष्मण बीजेपी के स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट और मेरे बहुत पुराने साथी श्री एपी जितेंद्र रेड्डी जी। मैं दो बातों के लिए मुख्यमंत्री जी का आभार और बधाई देना चाहता हूं कि एक तो मेरे सम्मान में उन्होंने पूरे नगर में बहुत सारे होर्डिंग्स लगाए और दूसरा उन्होंने एक मुझे दूसरे प्रकार का सम्मान भी दिया। उनको पता था कि मैं मूल रूप से हिंदी स्पीकिंग स्टेट उत्तर प्रदेश से आता हूं, इसलिए उन्होंने अपनी स्पीच भी जो है वो मेरे कारण हिंदी में थी। यहाँ पर उपस्थित मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट इन राज्यसभा एंड लोकसभा, members of Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council, ladies and gentlemen. We all know that our nation with a population of 1.25 billion is the largest and the greatest democracy of the world. The office of the President is most revered office of this democracy. Luminaries like Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, R. Venkatraman, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and most importantly, Dr. Zakir Hussain, who happened to be from Hyderabad, and Dr. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, who also happened to be from Andhra Pradesh, that is unified Andhra Pradesh. They all have adorned this supreme position. The country and the entire world is well aware of the supremacy of Indian Constitution and the Indian democracy. Friends, as we know, the Constitution, our country, is the supreme, and it is very important for all of us, particularly the office of presidency and the voters like you. We have to maintain and upkeep the supremacy of our Constitution. The President is also the supreme commander of our armed forces, and therefore the security of our international borders should be our topmost priority. Ever since, friends, as you know, I became the governor of Bihar, I had been working throughout in a non-partisan matter, keeping every citizen of Bihar with equal status, without any discrimination. And I can assure you that I will continue to keep the position of President of our party also. Even as on today, I am not associated with any political party. Of course, my earlier background had been with BJP. I had the privilege of working in the team of Venkaiah Naidu ji also. But as on today, even after resigning from governorship, I did not join any political party. This is what Venkaiah ji has also told. Because the office of presidency must be kept above party politics. Friends, I can also assure you that I will always strive for all-round development of the nation, irrespective of caste, creed, language, region, geographical situations. I will also do my best to fulfill aspirations of the youth and for the development of modern education. We have to fulfill the dream of New India, which our Honorable Prime Minister has been advocating, till 2022, when we will celebrate on completion of 75 years of independence. I express my gratitude to the NDA under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, and non-NDA parties, especially TRS. Especially, I say especially, because TRS chief, he had extended his support to me even before my name was announced and I filed my nomination. I am extremely happy to say that on the date of nomination, it was proper, and we can say nice on the part of our Chief Minister that he was present there to support me. I thank you everybody and assure that I will uphold the highest esteem of this prestigious office. I appeal to all the members of Presidential Election Collegium to support my candidature. Thank you very well. Thank you.